No more younglings, no more younglings. We're good, we're good. This is so fucking insane. Who made this? Who's Pixie, are you in chat right now? Do you know about Star Wars?
Encryption neutralized. Hull successful. Data extracted. 5 override tokens found. Advanced.
Cum in your mouth. Yeah, this game has arm swinger to run faster. Yeah, beat a motherfucker with another motherfucker. Stuttery.
Tarnished, are we? Come to the lands between for the Elden Ring?
I guess that is what I'm doing.
No shame in it.
Thanks for being so supportive of my goals.
However, you are maidenless. Without guidance.
This guy just said I don't have any bitches.
Of runes, and without an invitation to the round.
That's a little presumptuous of you to say I'm maidenless, sir.
It seems to die in obscurity.
I'm fated to die. This guy said I have no bitches and I'm gonna die forgotten. My name is Sigrid. And I forget the rest. So what we're doing here is okay, give me a sec, let my brain recover. My brain is warming back up. I got it. I got it. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. I got this shit, guys. I got this. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Maybe not. We're at 3 kilometers, 2 kilometers, 1 kilometer, and let's deploy the chute. Uh-oh. Okay, so class, today we're gonna learn about chute deployment on a spacecraft and how no, that was like 300 meters a second. Shut up. That wasn't a kilometer a second.
The loathsome dung eater.
That's Bird, the loathsome dung eater. I don't really understand the whole science thing. I just like go to a place and like drop a fat dookie with the tools. I'm gonna show you guys what we're all about here. Ignore that. That was not a good take. Please ignore that. Can you guys hear that? Listen to that space bar. Guys like that. That's all you're getting, you little bastards.